Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Here on this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Then we go to click Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your application as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.